ManageEngine Applications Manager Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. ManageEngine Applications Manager isn't just another IT monitoring tool. You won't believe the depth of insight it provides for businesses. Most people get this wrong by assuming it only tracks uptime, but the surprising truth is it monitors applications, servers, databases, cloud services, and network performance all in one platform. Pricing is based on the number of monitors or applications you want to track. For example, small businesses can start with a 25 monitor license for round per year. Mid-size setups with 250 monitors cost roughly $545 annually. For enterprises, custom pricing is available based on the scale and features required. Most people get this wrong by comparing it only to free tools, but the value of centralized, real-time monitoring can prevent costly downtime and performance issues. Applications Manager also includes features like anomaly detection, customizable dashboards, and AI-driven alerts, helping teams react faster and plan capacity more efficiently. You won't believe how much time can be saved with automatic reporting and predictive analytics, which is especially useful for larger organizations managing complex infrastructure. In conclusion, ManageEngine Applications Manager pricing scales with your monitoring needs and the complexity of your environment. By understanding the license tiers, feature sets, and potential ROI in terms of avoided downtime, you can make an informed decision. For businesses serious about performance, this tool delivers strong value for every dollar spent.